Okay. This is 3415 through 3417 Haverford Avenue. It's this property and this property. The listing has all of the lot information, things like that. Um, this is Haverford Avenue. Okay. Ton of development happening on the 3500 block of Haverford Ave. A lot of development happening this way towards Drexel. There's a property that just sold there at 3414 Haverford Avenue. There's a firehouse across the street, newly renovated corner property. Okay. A lot of development happening here. Okay, now we're gonna go through it.
Sorry,
It doesn't matter. Okay, so this was a church. Really wide footprint. It's likely the buyer of this property is going to tear it down and use it just for the land, okay? But in the event the person doesn't want to, I want to show off the inside. So this is the first floor. I'm going to show off first. Property's almost 6,000 square feet combined. Old bathroom. An old office. There's definitely been some leaks. Okay. This is the rear of 3417 Haverford Avenue. It's the back of the property. Okay. Back in there, it's hard to see, is to the end of 3417 Haverford Ave. And back through. Bathroom, okay, very bad shape, lots of leaks. You can see through that mirror. Okay, lots of bad leaks. Property needs to be basically gut renovated if you're going to keep the structure. If not, tear it down and redo it. Okay, now I'm going to go upstairs. Bathroom. A Matterport tour will be completed for this property. That'll allow you to slowly go through it. Okay. This is back towards the front of the property at 3417 Haverford Ave on that side. Okay. Let me go up the stairs and turn around so you can see. Very high ceilings. Okay. This was at one point going to be a daycare. Okay. Now back to 3415 Haverford Ave. On this side of the property. Okay. Again, almost 6,000 square feet. It's an old office. This is back down into the first floor on the 3415 side. Okay. Back. It's an old bathroom. Second floor, 3415 Haverford Avenue. That's the side one in the back. Okay. It's like a closet, I'm sure. Okay, dark staircase. During this walkthrough, I am showing you all parts of the property. Old bathroom. It's a little dark, but back towards the front of 3415 Haverford Avenue. Okay. And we're on the third floor. Onto the roof from the third floor. Okay. Beautiful views of Center City. Okay. And this is the roof of 3415 Haverford Ave. Again, active firehouse across the street. This is the roof of 3417 Haverford Ave. Okay. This is third floor, 3415 Haverford Ave. rear of 3415 Haverford Ave. It's a deeper lot. Okay, as you can see. This is the edge of the lot of 3417 Haverford Ave. Okay. That's the property. Now I'm going to do a quick video of the unfinished basement that I'll connect through and tie in to this video. Okay, we're in the basement of 3417 Haverford Ave. Okay, standing basically in the middle, closer to the front. It can be accessed by storm doors, okay? And there's one that's very similar, okay, on the 3415 Haverford Ave side, okay? Has more stuff in it, so it's a little less easy to show, but this is the basement. That's it. Last thing, this is the electric panel. Okay. Again, with the properties being sold as is.